Today I'll show you the highest paying survey apps that you can use to complete some easy and fun surveys and get paid in PayPal money. You can be from anywhere in the world and install these apps from Google Play Store or App Store and make money even with your phone. In order to make them work, make sure to stay tuned until the end of this video since I explain everything to you step by step. Just before we start, I want to remind all of you that if you haven't already, to subscribe to my channel Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on so you're going to get notified each time we upload brand new strategies on how to make money online, and you can be one of the first to use them and therefore make the most money. If you love this type of content, just give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you want to ask me anything. With that said, let's now start with this tutorial because I have multiple apps to show you today. The very first one is called QMe and it's over at qme.com. You're going to see that you can share your opinion and shop to earn real cash rewards. You're going to earn cash and not swag or points. So you can download it on App Store or Google Play Store. So this is available on both iOS and Android devices, or you can even continue with the desktop version here by putting your email address, a password, and also agree to the terms and conditions and click on the sign up button. So let's go down to see some of their features. So you can earn cash by completing surveys anytime and anywhere, so it's free and also worldwide. You're going to share your opinions on brands and see your earnings grow daily. So businesses want to know your opinion and they're going to pay you for that in cash, once again not in points. So you can earn cash back even on great products. You can also find deals on the biggest brands. With QMe you can take surveys while you commute and you're going to get paid in PayPal money or gift cards. As you can see, you can earn during your downtime and you can even save money for books, software, whatever you need if you are a student. All you need is like a verified PayPal address, so you can collect all of your earnings there. And since all of the platforms or apps that I'm going to show you today pay you through PayPal, you need a PayPal address, of course, and I guess many of you have one already. So let's check out some of the reviews over at Google Play Store and App Store. Here on Google Play Store they got like more than 60,000 of reviews with 4.3 stars, as you can see, while on App Store they got like more than 15,000 of ratings with 4.6 stars. So this app has a pretty good rating and this shows that this is a legit one, that people are loving it. Let's proceed with the second platform for today, which is called Atapol, and it's over at atapol.com, but you can also find it on Google Play Store and App Store. So since I promised you at the beginning of this video, these apps are available for both devices, so you can make money with your smartphone or tablet. You can get paid for taking surveys on your phone, as you can see here. So take surveys and get rewards. So let's see some of these rewards. You can get paid in PayPal cash or gift cards, and you can even donate your cash to a charity if you want to. These surveys are very easy and fun, just like I said before, from all companies all over the world. You can do it on your coffee break or whenever you have some spare time, and you can even invite friends in order to get a referral bonus. So if you scroll down, you're going to see some of the testimonials, what people have to say about this, but you can also check out these reviews over at Google Play Store where they have like more than 85,000 of reviews with 4.3 stars, and also over at App Store with more than 6,000 of ratings with 4.5 stars, which is pretty awesome actually. Let's proceed with the third app, and I hope that you are following me till now because I want you to get all of the steps right. The other platform is called PolPay and it's over at polpay.app. You can start earning money with this platform by completing surveys by clicking on the login button, or you can just download the app on App Store and Google Play Store. So they offer you millions of surveys in order to earn rewards and money. They offer you surveys to complete, and it's you who decide which surveys you want to start and complete. You can choose the topic you like. You can choose if you want a short or a long survey to complete, or a survey with a high reward, as you can see. So you will never get bored by completing these surveys. You're going to see that PolPay pays you also through PayPal, so you can get paid in PayPal money, but also some gift cards like Amazon gift cards, Spotify, Google Play, Apple gift cards, and many more. It's very easy and fast. As you can see, they are working hard for you to receive the best surveys, and they have like 4.6 stars reviews based on over 100,000 of ratings. You can check these reviews also by yourself over at App Store. They got like more than 40,000 of ratings with 4.6 stars, and here on Google Play Store they got like more than 500,000 of reviews with 4.4 stars. So by now PolPay is like the most popular out of the old apps that I showed you today. I highly recommend actually that you use all of these platforms in order to make the most money. So you can combine all of them, you can take surveys from all of them in order to maximize the results. And since you just need like a PayPal account, you're going to collect all of your earnings over there. You're going to see your PayPal balance growing again and again. So also I have another platform for you. This is the last one actually, and also the fourth one, I guess. So this is over at freecash.com. You can make money with free cash by signing up for free here on the desktop version. You can sign up with Google, which is a lot faster and easier, or with this other platform, or you can even put your email address here manually, a password, and agree to the terms of service and privacy policy, and click on the sign up button here. With this platform you can earn $1 per 5 to 10 minutes, and you're going to cash out instantly with PayPal, gift cards, but also cryptocurrency, which is a nice addition that the other apps didn't have. You're going to see here like a live feed of people from all over the world that are cashing out right now. So you have the reviews over at Trustpilot. There are more than 13,000 of reviews with 4.6 stars, which is pretty awesome actually. But let's get to know what you need to do with free cash in order to get paid. So you're going to complete some tasks. As you can see, you can download an app, for example. You can get started by choosing an offer or a survey. So even this platform pays you by completing some surveys, which was our main focus today. You're going to earn some coins that you can of course redeem for money. They offer you the highest payouts, also verified task, and a 24/7 support. Once again, you can cash out starting at really low, and you can earn $1 every 5 to 10 minutes by completing some offers over here, which is pretty awesome actually. And once again, I want to mention that you can combine all of these platforms in order to earn the most money. With all of that said, guys, this is it for today's video. I really hope that you liked it. So if you did, give a thumbs up, comment down below, and let me know which one of these apps is your favorite one, and subscribe to our channel Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next strategy.